plenty of room.
Maybe.
Oh, the river is further down.
Is it?
I mean, it's there, but like if you go from this side, it's further down.
The park up further. I can come down there and turn around down there.
Yeah.
No, I'll come there.
Mark,
yes.
Say hi, you are on camera.
Hello.
So what are we doing today, Mark?
We're going kayaking down the Araluen River.
So
First time for all of us.
how good is that?
It's pretty good. If we get stuck,
We won't get stuck.
you can eat my leg.
I won't eat his leg.
Craig couldn't turn around.
He can turn around there.
Yeah, up there.
Do you think we can make it?
Huh?
Do you think we can make it?
Make it, yeah. Oh yeah, it's a bit, like I mean the biggest difference is whether it takes 2 hours or it takes us 5 because we have to keep on getting out and dragging our kayak. Like there might be places where it's that shallow and wide that we actually just have to literally get out of our kayaks and walk and drag and
Oh, there's a spot for your keys in the thing area.
Oh, there.
I wouldn't keep your phone in your pockets or up.
Oh,
It can be wet.
No.
And then did you want to, I assume that there's points where you're going to want to stop and get your camera out to take photos, so do you want to carry this?
Yeah.
So you can get access to it? I guess you got your GoPro. So yeah. There you go.
Mm. Craig, which one is mine? This one? Yeah. What's this?
It's cool. It's not watertight, but it's just a little carrying spot.
Oh.
So like back before keys were electronic, you could chuck them in there.
Is that your bag, is it?
Yeah.
I'll chuck my bob in there if that's alright.
Yeah.
How do you do it up?
Where's your thing?
You just unclip it. Pardon?
Where's your jacket?
I left it in my car.
I thought you had like. I thought you said you had 5 or 3 of them.
No, kayak.
Um.
Boating.
Hmm.
You know, I actually got a second one because I got 2 kayaks, but my first life safety vest is from the bridge crew. It's one of them.
Oh, right, yeah. Those are a little bit big for others.
It's good.
Things are in there.
Good to be safe.
Yeah, so you need to make sure, keep hold of that. Well, this is another thing you could do, is, I just didn't bring this intentionally, it must have been here from last time, but you put your phone in a Ziploc bag, and then that way you don't need to keep opening that thing and that.
Thank you. Dry bag.
would say when you do this, up,
Up.
yeah, make sure those things are flat like that. But I'll leave you the door so you don't
Probably wouldn't need sunnies in the river, eh?
No, we're going to be in the
Shade.
yeah.
Very good.
Plus, you miss out on the natural beauty.
Yeah,
Yes.
I'm feeling it in my heart. Beautiful.
Yeah. From the kayak. Yeah.
You would have just had to go over the top of that tree or something.
What?
Perfect day for it too.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I like getting started this early just to save off the heat.
So we're dragging this thing now. Udah cari dragon ala. Mangira life jacket जा रहे हैं. कहाँ पुगिसक्यो यार. Did you taste the water, did you? What?
That can taste of cream.
Wait. Oh, finally.
This is all like work related. You're monitoring the side of the creek. This is overtime.
Yeah.
That was pretty funny. I hope you got that on your camera.
I did. Oh, this is quick. Sweet,ไม่ทำนะ
Yeah, I know they're already awesome.
Here comes the best part, guys. Fucking hell! That's rapid! You know what?